Hey, New Bright train fans. I just got this Holiday Village train set out. I haven't run this train in a long time, and I had to do some major work on it. Right here, the plastic has rotted and it started breaking on me, so I had to repair it. But I got it to work, and it's working pretty good. This train's actually, I think it's about 30 to 35 years old, so that's kind of why it's falling apart. But if you guys have any issues with your train sets, mainly battery pack train sets like these, they're easy to fix. If you guys need some help on yours, feel free to comment below on my video to let me know what's going on. I will try to help you. On my other videos, these are the type of trains I like because I love the style. They look kind of realistic for a battery pack. So I've been collecting these for multiple years. I haven't bought any more because I had some other things that's been coming along in my life, and so my hobby's been kind of hold back a little bit because I have other things that's been going on. But I just thought I'd make this video and let this train run for a little bit. It's been a while since I made a video because I've been busy with my job and things that's been going on. So I just figure I'll set this thing up and let you guys watch it going around. So I'll just turn this baby thing on, and you guys feel free to make your comments below on my video. Alright guys, if you're wanting to know what that clicking is, part of it is the gears. I think it's kind of tight in the gearbox, so I might have to get in there and kind of grease it up a little bit and loosen stuff up inside of there. and there's a little wheel that has little sticks that's kind of looks like thorns, but what it does, when it turns, it hits that metal plate and it makes a little click 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 noise to make that sound effects for a train noise. So alright guys, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll try my best to make another video as soon as I can. Alright, see you guys.